Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is being true to myself. Make sure that you are not trying to fit into everyone's puzzle. You're original. You're a one of one. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. Leave your mark. Leave your footprint. Leave your originality. So everyone can say, wow, they made a difference. They showed me something different. They didn't go along with the Joneses. They didn't try to keep up with the Joneses. They didn't do as the Romans did. They actually conquered their life by living it thoroughly and enjoyably. Let me try that. Inspire others by being true to yourself. What are your favorite hobbies? What is your favorite foods? What are your favorite activities? You may have outgrown people, places, things, financial stabilities. Maybe you're growing into another and a bigger you. There's nothing wrong with that. I am true to myself and others. I remove my mask and stop creating illusions. You're not into the fake. You're not into things that are false. You're not into illusions. You're into facts. You're into things that are actually true that you can actually work with. It's great to have an imagination, but it's one thing to live a fake and pretend type life. No, you want things to be true. You have great intuition. You have great ambition, but the thing about it must also be logical. And I love that about you. That's why people love you. I have confidence in who I am, and I reveal the good in me. I do not need to hide or prove anything. I replace shame with power and love with truth. Truth is your huge power, that you actually understand truth. You're living your own life. You're being an example of what everyone else should be doing, and we're taking notes. I need you. The whole entire world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.